Amazon S3 Express One Zone, AWS Graviton 4, AWS Trainium 2, agents for Bedrock. Yeah, Kuiper. Amazon Q.
Brace yourselves. Another game-changing AWS reInvent 2023 announcements during Adam Selipsky keynote is about to drop in this rapid-fire recap video. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this.
Okay, are you ready for the first announcement of the day? Okay. So today, I'm excited to announce Amazon S3 Express One Zone, a new S3 storage class. So today, I'm excited to announce the latest generation of our Graviton processor, AWS Graviton 4. Graviton 4 is the most powerful and the most energy efficient chip that we have ever built, with 50% more cores and 75% more memory. And today, I'm really excited to announce AWS Trainium 2, our second generation. It's our second generation chip that's purpose-built for high-performance training of foundation models. Trainium 2 is designed to deliver up to 4 times faster performance compared to our first generation. The fine-tuning is available in Amazon Titan Text Lite and Express, and today it's also generally available for Cohere Command Lite and Meta Llama 2, and fine-tuning is coming to Anthropic Claude soon. So a second technique for tailoring foundation models for your business is called a retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. Another one of the terms you see out there a lot. So RAG allows you to customize a model's responses when you want the model to consider new knowledge or up-to-date information. So Bedrock does this for you by calling and bringing back your own data, your data, from multiple sources. So continued pre-training is a technique that uses large amounts of unlabeled data. Before you fine-tuning, you did the labeled data. Here's unlabeled data, like the raw text of internal reports, financial plans, or research results that you have. And that's going to be used to improve the model's knowledge and its reasoning capabilities, using things in your own specific domain. That's why a few months ago, we introduced agents for Bedrock. And today I'm happy to announce that this powerful feature is today generally available. And today, we're announcing guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. Now, this is a new capability that helps you easily safeguard your generative AI applications with your responsible AI policy. Really proud and excited to announce Amazon Q, a new type of generative AI-powered assistant designed to work for you at work. Q lets you answer questions quickly with natural language interactions. You can easily chat, generate content, take actions. That's all informed by an understanding of your systems, your data repositories, your operations. Well, as a down payment, last year we announced a fully managed zero-ETL integration between Aurora MySQL and Redshift. And so I'm really excited today to be announcing 3 more zero-ETL integrations with Redshift. Let's get them all done at once. Aurora, Postgres, RDS from MySQL, and DynamoDB. These zero-ETL integrations in Amazon Redshift are all available in preview when? Today. So today, I'm really pleased to have unveiled one more zero-ETL integration, DynamoDB zero-ETL integration with OpenSearch service, generally available today. Now, there's another big bet that Amazon's making. You might have heard Project Kuiper. Yeah, Kuiper! Kuiper's building a constellation of thousands of low Earth orbit satellites. Why? Well, hundreds of millions of people on Earth lack fast or reliable or even any internet access. Project Kuiper is going to help close that digital divide by delivering fast, affordable broadband to a wide variety of customers operating places without reliable internet connections.
You learned something new today. If so, please like this video, share, leave your comments so that I know this content is helping you. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's now. Okay, see you again with yet another exciting tutorial about AWS. Keep learning, keep sharing what you learn, and thanks for watching.